Service writer and technician assignments can be mapped from Omnique Service Management System and synchronized with AutoTextMe. Here you'll see we have no assignment for Joe Palooka's 2002 Odyssey. If you assign that individual a service advisor here in Omnique, by simply saving it here and refreshing your AutoTextMe screen, you'll see that this ticket is now assigned. In order for user mapping to work properly, you'll need to go to your admin menu, go to Manage Users, and confirm that the SMS username is in fact plugged in for that user. It's very simple in Omnique. It's going to be the first and last name of the employee as you entered it in that system. So chances are you won't need to get this information out of Omnique. But if you do, you'll go to Configuration, Employees, and you'll confirm the name as it is entered.